Hi friends, the the biggest trouble or the biggest peril of supporting Aam Aadmi Party is that, in my opinion, is that Aam Aadmi Party is very hyperactive, and it's one of the fastest growing political party in India. And the biggest problem with that is they do so much of good work in Delhi, and there are a lot of things which is happening across India on the organization front that it becomes a task for each volunteer to be updated with it. I don't know about you, but for me, there is so much information which I get from different places. It's a lot to follow up. So that is what made me think, why not have all this information at one place? So you can say there would be party's official handle, and there would be other places where on your WhatsApp group where you can get it. But it's still a task that you have to go open it and read it on your own. And in today's age, where a lot of content that we see or that we consume comes in the form of video, so it's this thought, it's this requirement of mine which I was not getting fulfilled from any other place, which made me start thinking that a lot of you would also appreciate if you get all the updates related to Aam Aadmi Party and our leader Arvind Kejriwal at one place in the form of video. So that made me start this platform called Kejriwal Express. This would be basically a video only platform where I would say every day or once in 2 days give you a collective summary of what is happening in the party in Delhi on the policy front and activity front, and how is the organization doing across India. But before I begin with, today is a very sad day that the poet Rahat Indori passed away. And before I begin with the updates of the party for today, the first day I would just like to read one of his shairi, which goes like this. मैं मर जाऊं तो मेरी एक अलग पहचान लिख देना, मैं मर जाऊं तो मेरी एक अलग पहचान लिख देना, लहू से मेरी पेशानी पर हिंदुस्तान लिख देना. So a dedication to Rahat Indori Sahab. And now I go back and I'll start with the updates for today from Delhi. One of the biggest update from Delhi is, as you know, Delhi has been on the leading with the plasma therapy, and around 710 people got cured because of plasma therapy, and Delhi's plasma bank is very active in this. And second, appreciation news from Anand Mahindra, who is the chairman of Mahindra Group. We all know Mahindra Cars. He has basically, if I have to quote him, said Delhi is rightfully the cradle of EV revolution. This policy, if emulated, can provide new momentum to the movement in India. So basically, Aam Aadmi Party's policy in terms of electric vehicles is getting appreciated by people who are a part of the automotive industry. Third, Aam Aadmi Party has decided that it would provide loan of 20,000 rupees to the Reri Patri, or the people selling fruits and vegetables in the small push carts or small shops, temporary makeshift shops. Yeah, this will be provided by Delhi government. The third, as you know, judiciary system requires people, both people to be present in court, and which is becoming a problem in the corona times. So Delhi government has come up with a solution for this, that they have procured routers and other devices to enhance the capacity of virtual hearing of proceedings in Delhi court. So this Aam Aadmi Party hopes that citizen gets better access to justice. Third news, very positive in the times of corona, that the recovery rate of patients in Delhi has climbed to 91%, and in the last few days more than 1.31 lakh patients were cured. Something on administration, Delhi Jal Board Chairman Raghav Chadha had issued a show cause notice to the contractor for slow progress in the Mayapuri underground water reservoir construction. Raghav Chadha also directed officials to ensure speedy progress and to ensure completion of project within timeline. Now I would go to the state updates. Before I go, I think today there was a tweet from Prime Minister Narendra Modi highlighting that the states of UP and Bihar have very low testing rate, and based on this, Sanjay Singh said that the UP government is running on the formula that there is no test and then there is no corona. And while on the other hand, Aam Aadmi Party has been following regressive testing all across India. And you should be proud to know that Aam Aadmi Party volunteers have been going across and meeting people in India. For example, they have been doing it in Ghaziabad yesterday, and in Bangalore they have been doing it under the name of Aap Cares, under the leadership of Prithvi Reddy, where volunteers are going to people and doing rapid testing. The rapid testing is in terms of checking their temperature with the infrared thermometer and checking the oxygen level with using an oximeter. Small checks, not the exact check for corona, but this is something which is basically checking your symptoms and would help you to understand if you need to go get yourself checked with. We should appreciate this because this is something which people in government should be doing, but on the other hand, Aam Aadmi Party volunteers have been doing it. Similarly, Aam Aadmi Party also asked the Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar to increase testing. Yeah, coming back to Karnataka, Prithvi Reddy today mentioned, the head of Aam Aadmi Party Karnataka, Prithvi Reddy today mentioned that after 150 days and after spending more than 2,000 crore rupees, most of the people in Karnataka have not had their temperature checked, oxygen checked, pulse checked, and they have not heard of sanitization. And he has basically questioned the BBMP and the government of Karnataka as to why they have not been able to reach common man. And as usual, Aam Aadmi Party, apart from questioning, has also been providing solution, and volunteers across Bangalore have been reaching out to people, checking their temperature, oxygen level and others. And next news coming from the newest state or union territory, Ladakh, where Aam Aadmi Party has officially appointed a team of convener Sering Pungchok. He was a former IPS and IGP. Now he's retired. The secretary for Ladakh has been announced as Iftikhar Ahmed. He was a social activist. Sangathan Mantri was Skrama Togdan. He is a cooperative farming activist. And the new spokesperson for Ladakh is Rinchen Namgyal. He was a former president of Altoa. Going from Ladakh to Chhattisgarh, Aam Aadmi Party unit in Chhattisgarh highlighted that 14,580 teachers have not been identified, and they said that they would take this topic and go on a protest across the state. These are the major updates, I think, for today. Please do let me know if there is something that you would want to highlight you would want me to highlight. Sorry, I just got a little nervous. You would want me to highlight, or is there anything else that I could improve in this? In the comment below. And please don't forget to subscribe us on YouTube with the name Kejriwal Express. Like our page on Facebook with the name Kejriwal Express, and follow us on Twitter with the name Kejriwal Express. Thank you. Signing off for today. I'll be back tomorrow with more updates on whatever happened with Aam Aadmi Party and its organization across India tomorrow. Thank you. Dhanyavad. Namaskar.